Hi, welcome to my channel, guys. And today I have something really awesome, really cool to show you guys. And with this method, you can make your Springboard and your applications look really nice, really cool. And I came across this method a couple days ago. I downloaded this on my device, and I love it. That's why I decided to go ahead and make a video and bring it out to you guys so you guys can customize your application, your Springboard on your Apple device. It can be iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, and it's really cool, really nice method. So I'm I'm gonna share with you guys. And now, before we start this video, let me ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video like this. Now, also, I just want to mention one quick thing. All this information is going to be in the description below, so you guys can just copy and, paste from there. So let's get this video started, and let me show you guys. So as you guys can see right now, my icons look just normal icons, like a stock iOS. So I'm going to go to the snowboard. If I go to snowboard, as you guys can see, I have all these different, methods. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to enable the first one right there, as you guys can see. And if I enable this and apply the change, if I go back to my Springboard, as you guys can see, look at my dock and look at my clock, for example, the Google Map. And if I open up this folder, as you guys can see, this folder right here. So it covers most of the stock iOS application, but it is still coming out, so it's still brand new. So hopefully it will bring out some more later on. So yep, so this is the first one. And now if we disable this and then we do the next one right here, and all we have to do, enable this, apply change, go back to the Springboard. As you guys can see, the Springboard applications, all the icons have been changed. So as you guys can see, the phone application, the Safari, the message and the music, the mail application, the clock, the setting, the camera, as you guys can see, you got the same matching theme for your camera icon application, just like it's on the back of the same setup of the camera in the back of the phone. So there's so much in this one too. So I highly recommend you guys downloading this one and checking that one out. As you guys can see, as of right now, look at my snowboard, look cool. So now the next one we are going to talk about is this one right here. So all we have to do, enable this, apply the change, go back to our Springboard. As you guys can see right now, your icons will look like this. There you go. Look at the Twitter icon, mail, the clock, camera, Google Map, calendar. I like this look for the App Store. It look cool. And then you guys can see the Netflix. There's so much in this one too. So look at the Instagram icon. So it's cool. I like this one too. And these are my all-time favorite themes that I use on my phone. So that's why I'm making a video and bring it out to you guys. So the next one going to be right here. All we have to do, enable it, apply the change. And if we go back to the, as you guys can see, you got the clock, the mail. And with this, as you guys can see, there's a little hole have tongue sticking out, that's the notification, because every application that you get notification on, and that's what your badge gonna look like. And one is over here because that's one going to be for the Facebook, because I got the notification on Facebook. So this is really awesome as well, and I got a badge in that too. So that's why you got a few things. And if we do the next one, let me disable this one, and then next one we are going to talk about today is this one right here. And we enable this, apply the change, go back to your Springboard. As you guys can see, that's what your kind of artwork right there. Look at my dog, all the icons, and this is really awesome, really nice theme as well for your applications in Springboard. And I highly recommend you guys downloading that and checking it out. Now, if we disable this one, and let's disable this one, and the last one we are going to talk about is the Oxy 3N, and all you have to do, enable this and apply the change. As you guys can see, this is really cool, really nice looking. And then they look at the badge. Now I have the notification on my mail application, and it's just a red dot, and same thing for that, it changed. And also this look right here, theme for the Apple Wallet. As you guys can see, this is really cool, really nice looking. And then you got the camera, and we open this, and it got some colors for the social media application as well. So that's why these were my favorite, and that's why I decided to go ahead and make a video and bring it out to you guys. So if you guys like it, and you guys think they look cool, please let me know in the comments below. And also, if you guys have any question or concern, please let me know in the comments as well. I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video like this. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you guys in the next one.